Welcome to Commercial Cleaning Training for Janitors at Schools. This training covers essential skills and knowledge for maintaining a clean and safe school environment. This module provides an introduction to the unique challenges and responsibilities of janitorial services in an educational setting. Maintaining safety is paramount. We'll cover protocols to ensure the well-being of students and staff, from proper signage to emergency exits. It is crucial to maintain professional boundaries and avoid inappropriate contact with students and staff. Always ensure your interactions are respectful and work-focused. Proper chemical handling and storage are critical for safety. We'll review guidelines to prevent accidents and ensure compliance. Understanding and using personal protective equipment, or PPE, is vital for your safety. We'll show you what to use and when. Be prepared for emergencies. This section covers fire safety, spill response, and basic first aid to ensure quick and effective action. Now, let's move on to the daily cleaning procedures that form the backbone of your janitorial routine. From setting up for school events to efficient cleanup afterward, learn the best practices for handling special occasions. Classroom cleaning involves specific techniques to ensure a healthy learning environment. We'll cover dusting, sanitizing desks, and floor care. Restroom sanitation is critical for hygiene. This section focuses on disinfecting surfaces, cleaning fixtures, and preventing the spread of germs. Learn how to efficiently monitor and restock essential restroom supplies, including toilet paper, paper towels, and soap, to ensure availability for students and staff. Proper lifting techniques are essential to prevent injuries when moving heavy supplies or equipment. Always lift with your legs, not your back. Maintaining hallways and common areas involves regular sweeping, mopping, and ensuring clear pathways. Keep these high-traffic zones clean and safe. Stairways require careful cleaning due to their unique structure. We'll cover techniques for effective cleaning and safety on stairs. Effective waste management and recycling are crucial for environmental responsibility. Learn how to sort, dispose of, and recycle waste properly. Next, we'll dive into specialized cleaning tasks that require advanced techniques and specific equipment. During winter months, snow removal from common walkways is essential to prevent slips and falls. Learn safe and efficient snow clearing methods.
Fellow citizens, it's time to take action and subscribe to JMD Janitorial.
Power washing walkways and door entrances enhances the school's appearance and maintains hygiene. Learn proper techniques for effective and safe use. Floor care includes mopping, buffing, and stripping. Each method requires specific knowledge and tools for optimal results. Focus on disinfecting high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, light switches, and handrails to minimize germ transmission in the school. Learn protocols for spill cleanup and biohazard procedures, including proper containment, disposal, and safety measures. Understanding your cleaning equipment and its proper maintenance is key to efficiency and longevity. Master the proper use of various cleaning machines, including vacuums, scrubbers, and polishers, to ensure effective and safe operation. Regular checks and proper storage of equipment are essential for peak performance and safety. Learn how to maintain your tools for optimal results. Thank you for completing this training. Your role is vital in maintaining a clean and safe environment for students and staff. A well-maintained school fosters a positive learning atmosphere.
JMD, Janitorial.
Subscribe to JMD Janitorial on YouTube.